This is an Okuma MCR-B II-HP 20x40 2003 double column machining center utilizing OSP 100M CNC system. Major machine features include 50 tool automatic tool changer, and the machine has a 4-station attachment changer, of which there are 3 heads. This is one of the 3 heads that are being utilized. It's the BC 5-axis head, 20,000 RPM spindle, H63 taper in the spindle. The resolution of the B and the C axis is 0.001 degree. This is the 5-axis spindle. The spindle is operating at its maximum 20,000 RPM spindle speed. Freedom on the C-axis is 360 degrees with a resolution of 0.001. The degrees of freedom on the B-axis is plus or minus 100 degrees with 0.001 resolution. RPM.
We're now going to show the machine exchanging the full 5-axis 20,000 RPM head with the 8,000 RPM head attachment.
Attachment change complete. This is the standard 8,000 RPM attachment. Spindle is now operating at 8,000 RPM. Once again, this is showing the spindle running at 8,000 RPM with the ram fully extended. Now we're going to exchange the standard head, 8,000 RPM, with the 90-degree right angle attachment, which has a top spindle speed of 3,000 RPM.
We are now showing all of the slides moving to the exact location for the attachment change.
Head is now being indexed. 1 degree resolution. (360 degrees of freedom). Program clockwise or counterclockwise. This attachment is now operating at its maximum speed of 3,000 RPM. The machine has just completed a tool changer with the right angle head. We are now going to sequence the machine, showing all its features and capabilities to include running of the X, Y, and Z axis, and W.
The X-axis table is now operating at 600 inches per minute feed rate.
This is the Y-axis moving at 600 inches per minute. This is showing the maximum feed rate of the Z-axis, which is 400 inches per minute.
This is showing the chip conveyor that has conveyors on each side of the table that brings chips in front of the machine up to a third conveyor, which brings the chips up into a chip bin.
This machine is equipped with special guarding provided by the OEM, Okuma.
This option is whole machine guarding. And whole machine guarding keeps the coolant and chips confined within the machine's work zone.
We've been told that this machine has been primarily used for the machining of aluminum aerospace components. This is showing the operator's panel of the OSP E100M CNC. This provides full 5-axis capability. The OSP is included with many options, software and hardware, and are included in the detailed proposal that we provide.
The machine is equipped with a closed-loop, fail-safe lubrication system. Every point must be lubricated within the specified time period. If the lines are clogged or have broken, the operator will receive an error message, and if the problem is not corrected within a specified period of time, the machine will automatically be shut down.
This machine is equipped with a programmable W-axis, and it has 10 discrete locations.
The W-axis feature minimizes the throat clearance from the base of the spindle or cutting tool to the top of the piece part. These splash guards, as shown at the end of the machine's table, will be included in the machine. This is showing the machine's attachment changer device.
And it has room to store up to 4 heads, and there are 3 heads that come with this machine. Standard at 8,000 RPM, right angle attachment at 3,000 RPM, and the third is the BC head, which has a maximum spindle speed of 20,000 RPM.
These 31 pieces of HSK tooling that are used with the 5-axis head are included with the machine. We have pulled back the Y-axis way covers so you can see the ways and the ball screws. And as noted, both the ball screws and the ways are in excellent condition. This is due in part to the care and maintenance that have been provided by the sellers, but it's also due to the fact of the design of the Okuma way covers, as well as Okuma's fail-safe lubrication system. This is showing the machine's electrical cabinet, and as you can see, it is extremely clean. The heavy-duty Okuma electrical cabinet keeps out the dust, dirt, and mist found in many shop environments. At our inspection, we found that the Okuma MCR-B 20x40 2003 to be in very good operating condition and fully functional.